Hello everyone, today I'm going to share these beautiful DIY decor ideas that you can use your waste material to make these beautiful DIYs. So I have taken these cardboard rolls and using Fevibond glue, we are going to stick all of these together. And then I have cut a cardboard piece and I'm going to apply it on one side of this. Like this, I have joined both the sides of the cardboard, and using wall putty paste I have also made one layer of this. Now I'm going to apply a layer of gesso on top of it, and then I have mixed a little bit of white and brown to make this shade. Like this, I'm going to apply it and let it dry for some time, and after this we are going to give some wood like texture using brush only, and our first decor piece is done. Now for the second one, I have taken a cardboard square box and I'm going to cut the up part of this, and I have taken the printout of a book and we're going to simply paste it, and our second decor piece is also done, the book vase. Then the third one, I have taken this type of cardboard. I have got it from a toy box. So I'm going to stick this like this using glue and let it dry. And like this, our third vase is also done. So its print was already very nice. I haven't done any paint on it, and this is how it looks. Thank you for watching.